Hey there, car enthusiasts. If you're looking for a way to step up your car cleaning game, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm bringing you an in-depth review of the 2PCS car washing gloves double-sided coral fleece clean glove. Now, let me tell you, these gloves are an absolute game-changer when it comes to car cleaning. With their double-sided coral fleece design, they offer a soft and smooth touch, making them perfect for gently cleaning your car without causing any scratches or damage. And let's talk about water absorption. These gloves are designed to soak up water like a sponge, making for a quick and efficient cleaning process. Not to mention, they're incredibly easy to wash and dry, so you can keep them looking and feeling fresh for every car wash. But that's not all. These gloves are also versatile enough to use for cleaning other items, like furniture and glass. The mitten design provides better skid resistance, giving you a better grip and control as you clean. But the benefits don't stop there. These gloves are made of high-quality plush chenille microfiber, ensuring a durable and long-lasting cleaning tool that you can rely on. Now, here's the best part: you can get your hands on these amazing car washing gloves by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your car cleaning to the next level. Trust me, once you try these gloves, you'll wonder how you ever cleaned your car without them. So go ahead, hit that link, and get ready to experience the difference for yourself. Happy cleaning, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting car accessories and tools. Cheers!